Hello, it's a rechargeable 9-volt battery. I made it few days ago. If you missed that video, you can watch it now. I put its link in the description, and it is a smoke detector and it's not working. So today I will see if I can fix it or not. First, open the battery compartment. It blinks. You can see it blinks red, but no sound. It could be an easy fix. Maybe the speaker is disconnected. Let's open this. I see what's the problem. So here is the inside view. The test switch, that could be. Shit, the spring just jumped. Okay, we found the spring. Here is our spring, naughty spring. And I think our only problem is that one of our speaker terminal is disconnected. So let's fix this and see if it works or not. I think I can solder this rechargeable mini soldering iron. I make this soldering iron out of vape body. I made it few days ago and it has a video too. You can check it from my list. I will put that link in the description too. Press and hold for 8 seconds and it will get hot. I think it is okay. Now we are going to test it how. Put the battery in here. Then what? Press the test button. Yes, it's working, man. But it's not stopping. Why? Test complete. Hey you. Test complete. Stop. Then we need a real life test. What? Why are you? Okay, I'll do nothing. I just put this battery and hold it like this. Okay. It's start buzzing without any trigger. I don't know, maybe there is fault. It buzzed for nothing. Okay, let's see if I can find any problem. Okay, I found another problem. There is that this resistor is broken. The one leg is disconnected from board. Maybe this is the reason why this thing started buzzing for nothing. Okay, but first we have to clean this terminal. Then I will try to solder it again. I think now I have to use my regular soldering iron, not this one. Let's start soldering. Serious solder. I don't know what is this. Why this is look like this? Why here is a jumper wire? Why it looks like what? Strange looking connections. Connection of this jumper wire soldering iron also looks ugly. Absolutely not factory soldering. Also not looks professional. Put some soldering paste in here. At first I have to remove the broken pin from the board. Now it's getting hot. I don't know, is it a cheap smoke detector or expensive, but it looks like cheap and I think you know better. Okay, remove our broken pin and now we have to put something replacement for the pin because the actual pin of the resistor is short and needs some extension. Okay, this is our extension cable and we're going to solder it here. Let's try this motion. Yes, now it works. So let's see, is it work or not? Light is blinking and start buzzing without trigger. So what's the problem? What it could be? Broken resistor is connected, speaker is connected, but still it doesn't functioning. Okay. I don't understand what is the problem. I see everywhere every connection is okay. Capacitors are okay. The resistors are okay too. Again, capacitor is electrolyte capacitor. In this mode, my multimeter is in ohms mode, 20k range, changes the values. That means the capacitor is good. Here is also one capacitor. It also changes its value. That means this one is okay too. This one, it does nothing. From this way, it does nothing. This one, nothing. From this way, nothing from this way. And here is also one capacitor. Nothing from this way, nothing from this way. This one from this way. Where's the problem? Are they short? All of them? All of them? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Maybe the capacitor are gone. But I have no replacement for these tiny capacitors, and also I don't have the proper equipments for this type of soldering. So I'm going to say that this is not fixable. Let's move one capacitor from the board and test it. In here, nothing. Why? Do something. Just don't jump out of my table. No reading from this way, nothing. I don't know, is this a wrong way to check a capacitor? What I know that if I am going to check a capacitor with a ohms meter, then the meter reading should be changing, but it does nothing. There is no read, nothing, completely disconnected. Why? So I'm going to put this back together, and I will put this device as non-fixable. Let's assemble this again, store it as a donor device. The spring in here. Let's check again last time. Okay, after put this cover back in place, it behaves normal. Now it's working just fine. When I press this test button, it starts buzzing. And when I release this switch, it stops. It is 100% normal. Now we're going to check one last thing. A real life test. We'll see. Is it working when smoked? Yes, it works. It works, but it's not that sensitive. It needs a lot of smoke to trigger, and it is. But our today's mission is successful. We fixed this device. It is working now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.